Hi, I'm Josh with Haley Comfort Systems. I'd like to show you a few things just to illustrate why it's important to do annual maintenance. One of the primary things we do is wash the outdoor coil. It can get really clogged up, lead to high pressure, and can eventually cause AC breakdowns. Back here in the electrical compartment, there's a bunch of components that we check. One of the most common breakdowns are those little components going bad. We test them every year and make sure that they're up to specs. The heart of the system is the compressor and the fan out here. We check the amp draw and performance of those. The whole AC gets cleaned out inside and out. A lot of that is just for importance for a nice visual outside the home. When we go inside, we do a lot of checking. We take out our scope camera and really go inside the furnace, up inside the AC coil, make sure nothing's clogged. Important to check that filter, obviously. And then we do just kind of a comprehensive running of the system, taking a bunch of measurements, airflow, amp draw, voltage, and make sure that system is in top shape. Some of the things that can happen if you don't get the maintenance done, I mentioned the coil getting clogged out here, overheating earlier. If the coil inside gets dirty, the AC can freeze up, break down, and it can even leak water down through the furnace. Same thing goes for the drains inside. If they're not treated each year, they can back up, and that can cause problems for you as well. So with concerns about efficiency nowadays, saving money, keeping the system functioning, and not having any surprise breakdowns, it's really important to address these things annually. When you have a company come out and do a professional cleaning and maintenance on it, it kind of gives you a peace of mind, and so you know somebody local is standing behind that piece of equipment for you. Here at Haley's, we have a 50-point comprehensive checklist that we go through every time. I've been in the industry for a while, and it's the most thorough checklist that I've seen. It really creates a record of everything that's been going on with your system. You can look back in time, see changes in your efficiency, changes in how well the compressor is running, how well the equipment is running. It's really nice to have an established maintenance practice. Your AC system, you can kind of compare that to your automobile, your home. If you start slacking on maintenance, things start to pile up, and it becomes a bigger deal to take care of. So it's really important to keep on top of that stuff and get your maintenance done every year.